Welcome to another session. This is part 3 where we'll continue our discussion on chapter 5 Panchayati Raj. So we've already discussed about Gram Sabha, Gram Panchayat. Today we are going to learn about 3 levels of panchayats. So let me tell you what happened there in the village Hardas and how did they come up with a solution. So this was the village problem where a lot of people were feeling that there is acute shortage of water. So in the Gram Sabha and the Gram Panchayat took a decision that we have some funds received by from the government, and what we'll do, we'll maintain the hand pumps with them or do rest of the job with it. And the secretary made a note of the same, that this is the decision, this development has been made in this particular village and they're working in the right direction. But all of them, they also started to discuss if watershed development is of any use, if it's going to make any significant difference in the water level, because that's depleting and that might be a cause of concern very soon. So after a lot of discussion, they decided that the Gram Panchayat, seated here, this Gram Panchayat who takes most of the decisions on behalf of the people, the Gram Panchayat is going to approach the block development officer. I'm sure you might be confused as to who is this block development officer, but he's to be approached to get more information on this watershed development project. So let me explain you guys what is this block development officer. So this panchayat, it works at this like this. First you have Gram Panchayat. This is very, very important, which is at the village level. Above the village, we have block, and right above the village, if they have to consult someone, they can't go running to the state government. So whom they'll approach the block or you can say Panchayat Samiti, right? So this is the next level where you call it block level, the second level. And right above the block level, you've got Zilla Parishad. So this is the third tier, the topmost, which is at the district level. So these are the 3 tiers. Zilla Parishad, which is at the district level. Then you have block or Panchayat Samiti, which is at the block level. And of course, Gram Panchayat at the village level, which has Gram Sabha or Ward Sabha to it. So what happens is this structure, it varies from state to state, and the constitution is not fixed that this particular model is going to be the same. The state government makes its own laws regarding the panchayats as to how people can raise their concern, how can they participate. But overall what happens is the Zilla Parishad, this one, it makes the development plans at the district level. And with the help of Panchayat Samiti, it tells how much money, this plus this tells how much money is going to go into the pockets of Gram Panchayat and how they're going to make use of it, the best use of it. Right, guys? So this is all about the 3-tier system in a village, because we might use it in the later sessions. So I've already explained it to you. Thank you. That's all. That's how we finish the chapter. And I'll see you in the next class. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.